Hello friends, welcome you all to Solving Faster and Better 82 Days to CAT. And today we'll be understanding circular tracks. After watching this video, you should be able to solve all kinds of questions based on circular tracks. So Damon and Stephen Salvatore are two vampires in the Mystic Falls. In order to reverse a curse from Benetwich, they had to run around a circular forest track of length 140 kilometers indefinitely, starting from the same point on the track where Elena Gilbert is standing idle. Very nice starting point. Now, speeds of Damon and Stephen are 40 and 30 respectively. Now, the first question, when will they meet at the starting point for the first time? The first guy takes 140 upon 40. These many hours to reach the starting point. Second person takes 140 upon 30. These many hours to reach the starting point. When will they reach at the starting point for the first time? Or when will they meet at the starting point? That will be nothing but LCM of these times. Now, how do we take LCM of a fraction? So LCM of a fraction becomes LCM of the numerator. So 140 and 140. So LCM becomes 140. HCF of denominator. So 40 and 30. What is the HCF? The HCF is a factor of 30 which divides 40 also. What is the highest factor? That is 10. So 14. So in 14 hours, they will meet at the starting point for the first time. So first question is done, right? So when the two speeds are x and y and length of the track is L, they will meet at the starting point. That will be LCM of L upon x and L upon y, right? So that first part is done. When will they meet for the first time on the circular track? It's not about the starting point now. So there can be two answers to this. When they're running in the same direction and when they're running in the opposite direction. So when they're running in the same direction or opposite direction happens absolutely like it happens in a linear track, right? You take relative speeds. So the length here is 140 kilometers. When they're moving in the same direction, you will take relative speed 40 minus 30, that becomes 10. So they will take 14 hours. When they are moving in the opposite direction, what will happen? The speeds will add up, relative speed. So therefore that becomes 140 upon 70, which makes it 2 hours. So when they are moving in opposite direction, they'll meet in 2 hours. When they are moving in the same direction, they'll meet in 14 hours, right? So when the length is L and the speeds are x and y, so same direction will be L upon x minus y and opposite direction will be L upon x plus y. To summarize, at how many points will they meet when they move in opposite direction? Okay. Now, when they move in opposite direction or same direction, they will meet at the starting point at the same time. So what was the answer to this question? That was 14 hours. When will they meet for the first time on circular track? There were two answers. When moving in opposite direction, 2 hours. And when moving in the same direction, 14 hours. How many points will they meet? Will be the time taken to meet at the starting point divided by time for the first meeting. Time for the first meeting is 2 hours. So this becomes 7. So how many times will they meet when they're moving in opposite direction? 7 points. At how many points will they move when moving in same direction? So that becomes time taken to meet at the starting point, that is 14, divided by time taken for the first meeting while moving in the same direction, that is 14. So this becomes 1. So the answer to this question is 1. The answer to this one is 7. I hope circular tracks is now clear. This should help you as a good revision for circular tracks in a very short span of time. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.